Tomorrow, right back into those hundreds, mostly sunny, hot, winds out of the southeast at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. So the rain came and went very, very fast. Taking a look at our local forecast, looks like we're going to stay in the low hundreds all across the valley floor. Our storm shield Doppler is scanning clear, so we are seeing nothing but high pressure stay in the region for the next couple of days until we get some relief from that tropical moisture. More on that in a couple minutes, but for now, here's a look at your day planner. We're left with clear skies for the next couple of days. 90 right now at Edwards Air Force Base. 95 up at China Lake, 91 in Porterville. Actually, we are going to track this major cool down. That's a cold front heading into central California, dropping temperatures a good 20 degrees along the valley floor and then into the upper 50s into Tehachapi. We're almost at 90 degrees, a good 15 degrees warmer at this time of night than we were yesterday. Sun will set in just about an hour now. So for your valley Mother's Day forecast, it's going to be gorgeous. And then look at that, the moment we've all been waiting for, Thursday. And how about your 4th of July forecast? Well, we are going to experience those triple digits as well. 4th of July, 103, sunny and hot, and winds are going to be southeast at 5 miles per hour. So nice big heat wave heading our way and then clear up. So we're going to see patchy fog until about 11 a.m. So again, be careful if you're driving. By Wednesday into Saturday, we will see that rain restricted to the mountains. And then here in the valley, gusty winds and blowing dust could be a possibility. So here's your 7-day numbers. Hottest day of the week tomorrow with a 20% chance of rain. After that, that humidity will linger as well as those triple digits. Overnight lows there in the low 70s. Over in our mountain range there, though, a different story. Chance of rain through Wednesday, and then that humidity will linger again. And then in the Kern River Valley, we will see about a 30 to 20% chance of rain through Wednesday as well, cooling down into the upper 90s by the weekend. So some interesting weather in store, a little bit of a change.
A little bit sticky probably.
Definitely humid.
Yeah.
Not good for your hair.
Not looking forward to more hairspray needed. All right, thanks.
Go to my Facebook though, because I put a picture of him smiling, and then it really will change the way that you think of him once you see his teeth. All right, anyway, downtown, things are looking really nice here in downtown Bakersfield. That cloud coverage is really starting to set in and cooling things down in just a couple hours. But if it felt like the longest day of the year, it's because it was. I'll have more on that summer solstice coming up. We're seeing 97 right now at Meadows Field, 81 in Tehachapi, and then 90 in Mojave right now. So things are looking really nice. Wind speeds, though, picking up around the Fraser Park and Grapevine area. Nothing to worry about if you're traveling, though we are seeing 25-mile-per-hour winds over in Mojave now, 17 in Tehachapi, and then 13 up in Ridgecrest. Ridgecrest is really warm right now. As far as the ground, we are seeing some scattered ground clutter, but that's about it. No precipitation in sight, according to our storm shield Doppler as we sweep our radar. Really, things are looking hot and dry thanks to high pressure keeping us nice and warm, and there's that high right there. Things are going to cool down, though, come Thursday of next week. We are going to drop down into the 80s. But first, let's talk about what this day really means. Happy first day of summer. Certainly starting to feel like it. In fact, it has felt like it for the last couple of weeks that we aren't seeing hundreds. It's the Earth's northern hemisphere tilting towards the sun, so the North Pole is at the furthest axis tilting towards the sun, and it's the highest sun position in the sky, which yields the longest day of the year. Just how long? Well, 14 hours, 32 minutes, and 45 seconds. That's the longest day of the year. That means the sunset won't happen until about 8:15 tonight. So you still have a full 2 hours of sunshine. And that, of course, began at 3:51 this morning. So enjoy your first day of summer and your longest day of the year, everyone. Right now, 97. Our high today was 100 degrees. It looks like we just hit 100 a couple hours ago. And that's about 8 degrees higher than our normal that we're used to seeing. Looking at our AQI index tomorrow, we will be in the moderate range. It is unhealthy for sensitive groups, however, though, right now. 79 up in South Lake Tahoe tomorrow, and then 99 in Fresno, 69 up in San Francisco, 87 in Solvang, 70s in Santa Barbara and Ventura, and then down in Southern California, we'll get up to about 81 in Disneyland. Great day for those parks, and then 108 in Palm Springs. Here in the valley, though, looks like 98 is going to be that magic number tomorrow with overnight lows in the 60s. 86 over in Tehachapi, 94 in Isabella, 86 also in Fraser Park, and then 104 for a high in Ridgecrest. That'll be the only area in the Kern County mountains and deserts hitting those triple digits tomorrow. 66 overnight tonight, mostly clear, and the winds will be light northwest at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then you're going to see similar situations today, or tomorrow rather, from what we saw today, a high of 98 degrees, sunny skies, and things are going to look really, really nice tomorrow. So what about for the next 7 days? Well, upper 90s through Tuesday, and then look at that gorgeous drop on Thursday into those upper 80s, 91 by Friday, 94 by Saturday. And so things are looking really nice. Overnight lows there in the 60s. Over in our Kern River Valley, breezy conditions midweek, 90 by this time next week. And then finally in our mountain range, we're going to see breezy conditions, possibly a wind advisory throughout the entire week next week. Overnight lows in the 50s though, but 80s by Thursday. Something to look forward to.
Overall in summer, that's looking good.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Lauren.